more time. Let go, let go. Nice. And what I like about this table is the padding. It doesn't feel like it's, you know, when I push down like that, it feels much better on like the upper back. Nice. Last one just right here.